everyone, and today in this video we are gonna review Windows 11 and we are gonna review the Windows 11 stable version, and I'm going to tell you what are the bug fixes and the error fixes in this operating system and what are the new changes in this operating system. Yeah, so let's get started. So let me show you the Windows 11 build number. So this is the latest operating system from the Windows Microsoft, and this is the 22000.652 stable version, latest Windows update, and this is based on the version 21H2. So you can note this build number 22000.652 if you want to download it. Yeah, so this is the latest Windows 11 stable update, and today we are gonna review it. So the first change is that in your widgets section you will get this plus icon here. Earlier it was here or here, I don't know it, but now it has been shifted to this to your profile picture, and if you click here you can add in your widgets, let's say as family, safety, Outlook, calendar, to do, tips, traffic, gaming, like that, based on your interest. And you can manage the interest as well in the Microsoft website, in the MSN website. Here you can discover your interests. So this is the new change in the widget section, and the widget section will show you the latest news according to your area. You won't need to select the area as well. If you are in the USA, it will show you the local United States news. If you are in some other countries, it will show that country's local news. So that's a new change in the widget section. Now the second change is in the settings app. Yes, my friends, in the settings app, if you go to Windows Update, the Windows Update's errors has been fixed. So the second feature or second fix, you can say, the Windows Update has been fixed, and you won't get any kind of problem while installing the future updates in your Windows 11 PC. And Microsoft has blocked the Windows Insider program on the unsupported devices, and if you install this Windows 11 through some files editing, and if you successfully install this Windows 11 on unsupported PCs, you will get this error. You can read this, you can pause the video and read this, and if you click on learn more option, it will go to this website and it will show you how to prepare. So as you can see, if you don't have a TPM 2.0 and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, you will not meet the minimum hardware requirements for the Windows Insider program. And if you want to install the developer version, you cannot, sadly, because Microsoft has blocked it. So you can use the Windows 11 stable version, and this is the second feature or the fix, you can say. So the third feature now is in the Microsoft Store. Many people use Microsoft Store to download apps such as Adobe Acrobat, Microsoft Teams, Netflix, Disney, but it was lagging on my low-end PC, as you can see here on the video. And as you can see, it needs at least your 1080p display, and you need at least a graphics card, not an integrated graphics card. In the CPUs, you need some separate GPUs to run it properly, and many people are experiencing bugs earlier, but now it's fixed. You will get regular updates from Microsoft, and as you can see, I have modified all the apps, or you can say updated all the apps from the Microsoft Store, and the UI is changed. Since last version of Microsoft Store was simple, but now it's not. Now it's very, very advanced, and it consumes a lot of graphics and resources. So yeah, this is the new Microsoft Store. This is the fourth feature. You'll get this new Microsoft Store. Okay, so the next feature now here is in the search icon. If you go to search and click on your search settings, you can filter out all the images, or you can say censored images. If you see adult content on the web, you can clear it, but before it was not working, or it was showing some errors, but now it's fully working. If you click on strict, it will filter out all the adult text or images from web results. If you don't want, you can simply off it, but it's good to have the save search from Windows, and you can also connect the Microsoft account to the search bar, search to the Windows search to show the recommendations. So this is the new fix in the Windows 11, or the fifth fix or feature. So the last feature of the Windows 11 is that when you go to Windows settings, in the focus assist you would get a new bug fix. So before, if you clicked on the focus assist, it would not run, or it would does not remind you. So yeah, now the focus assist is fully fixed, and you can select priority, or you can set alarms only. But before it was not working, or it would show errors or bugs, but now it's fixed. So this is the fifth feature or fix, you can say. Now the next fix is that in the Wi-Fi settings, before it was not connecting, or it would consume a lot of data. But as you can see, this is my 40 Mbps Wi-Fi, and it consumed only 11 GB. I will download a lot of files also, but now it will consume a less data in the latest version of Windows 11 stable. And the aeroplane mode will also work. If I turn it on like this, it will stop all the communication access. So yeah, if you click on the aeroplane mode, you can turn it off, and it will connect to the Wi-Fi again automatically. So yeah, guys, these are the features in the Windows 11 stable version. And if you want to download this, you can download it from the Microsoft website. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and if you like the video, please like it and share to someone else, so that they can also use this Windows. So yeah, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. So yeah, see you later. Bye.